Hi. Have you ever felt completely lost, lonely, like you don't know what to do next? What is the next plan? Where to begin? Well, even I have been there too. Recently, I have completed my yoga teacher training from Rishikesh, something I had dreamed for so long. And after completing the course, after getting the certificate, I felt that's it and the path is clear. But after coming back to my hometown, the story was different. No jobs, no project, no offer, no clients. Just the silence, the heavy confusion in my heart. I started doubting myself once again. And exactly in this moment, something happened out of nowhere. Or I would rather call it a miracle. And without any expectations, I just packed my bag and I left. I was thinking that, yes, I got something very big. This gonna be a turnover. But what I didn't know that this is not just a project. Something bigger is waiting, something divine. And like this became my first project as a yoga teacher. Although I was doing my stuffs, the diet part as a dietitian, but what I have learned from yoga, I wanted to just spread it, become the healer. I wanted to spread whatever I have learned. And there was a dream of mine to take it as a profession. But when I got this first project, I didn't know about the money, how much they will pay, and I didn't think about how will be the other stuffs, the accommodation. Even what I had in my mind is I'm going to Baba Dham. Who don't know about Baba Dham? It's a Jyotirlinga from 12 Jyotirlingas, and I have been there. It's not the first time. Last time in Shravan, I went there and I got to see him for once in this life. And even before last year, I have been there for 3 4 times. But this time, out of nowhere, I just went there, or I would rather say it, Mahadev called me. And you need at least 3 to 4 hours to get the darshan. Yes, I had that feeling that I will go, I will visit, but the Babadham temple is always crowded. So I had to leave my home by at least 1 because by 4 it's supposed to be closed. The dwar is closed by 4. So I had to leave by 1, then only I will get the chance to meet. But I got really late. And when I reached the temple, one pujari was there and he started telling me, बच्चा जल्दी जाओ बंद हो जाएगा दरवाजा बंद होने वाला है द्वार कपाट बंद होने वाला है. And I just ran out of nowhere. Out of nowhere, I just ran. And the whole line, there was no one. It's totally empty. Like, it was very rare to get that darshan. When I entered into the Garbhagriha, there was no one except the pujaris. There are 4 5 pujaris were there, and I'm just putting the video. It's really very very divine. I was just standing in front of him, and I was just looking at him. I was admiring. I was feeling the entire aura. I just felt like I'm hypnotized. This very moment happened just effortlessly, just like a miracle. Even when I didn't know that I needed it. So it's a complete prasadam of Mahadev, I would rather call it. And this very moment taught me one lesson that I will never forget in my lifetime. At your lowest, the universe, the supreme power, quietly find your way. Just effortlessly, it will happen. Just trust the process. Just believe on that supreme power which is working on your favor always. Even when you think there is a silence, nothing is happening. But trust me, there is always something is happening behind you. So never, never ever doubt yourself. Never question yourself. Never doubt your path that has been shown by Supreme Universe, the Lord. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening to me. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. If you felt a bit inspired or you felt a bit that one push, please subscribe to my channel, show your support, give your energy. When I am sharing my energy, if you are sharing it back, there will be a balance. So share your energy, share your thoughts, and never doubt yourself. That's it for today. मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए शिवोहम, नमस्ते.